Right, so hybrid embryos. So what is a hybrid embryo again? I can't remember. Oh yeah, I do. A hybrid embryo is a mixture of both human and animal tissue. It's mostly used with a small animal part. After a few days, the embryo is harvested for stem cells. So it's like me, it'd be like an embryo of like Mr. Delane and a cow, a little bit of cow inside it. So scientists want to use this as an embryo because there's a shortage of human eggs available. So it's much easier to use animal eggs. So surely that could be a much better idea. Scientists could use this to help cure diseases like Parkinson's disease or cancer. But the UK law currently is against hybrid embryos because these embryos are not allowed at this stage in time. So let's talk about good things about this. Well, there's a shortage of these of human embryos available, so surely this is a good thing. Jesus, he was a healer. Surely it would be sin by omission not to use this technology. I could save lots of lives. That's a fantastic thing. Secondly, there's a sanctity of life argument. If I believe that life doesn't start at conception, that could be seen to be perfectly fine because I'm saving lives, so surely I'm actually going to be doing the right thing by saving lives by just using these hybrid embryos. Thirdly, I could argue that this is better than this is an exercise again of human knowledge. We're really wise. We've been given this gift by God to have this amazing reason. That's a gift from God, so surely we should be using it. It would be sin by omission not to. Arguments against, it could be seen to be playing God. Can you imagine what this could lead? This would be very wrong. Who can make straight what God has made crooked? Aren't we fiddling with God's plan if we're mixing embryos with little cows and stuff like that? Secondly, I could say it's a slippery slope. Maybe firstly we'd make hybrid embryos to make sorry. Maybe we could use hybrid embryos to make really good save lives right now, but also in the future, maybe people will start making half human, half animal sorts of things. I'm just going to come back in a second and show you what this could be. So imagine I got a hybrid embryo, and I was a mixture between Mr. Lane and a tiger, and now here he is. Ah, no, he's become a real tiger. Ah, half tiger, half man. Roar! That could be a kind of risk that we need to consider as well.